What's up guys, it's Kevin and welcome to this video. So today we're going to be making a Jullian Gomes type beat. For my chord progression, I used Omnisphere and I used this preset right here. And this is my chord progression and it is in E major, and this is how it plays out without the effects. So what I did, I added 3 effects: a compressor, reverb, and also I cut off the lows from the sound. So this is how it plays out with the effects turned on. So for my second sound, I used this preset in Omnisphere. Then I made this pattern. For my next sound, I used this preset from Omnisphere. And I made this pattern. I used this preset in Omnisphere and I made this pattern. For my next sound, I also used Omnisphere and I copied my my main chord progression and I used it on this preset. To give it a bit of that atmospheric feel, that texture in the background. For my bass line, I used this preset from Nexus and I made this pattern. I copied the root notes from my main chord progression. To give my bass line a bit of texture, I used this preset from Direct Wave. I'm going to play them together. For my next sound, I used this preset again from Omnisphere, but this time I only used the root notes. Then I used this preset in Omnisphere, and also here I'm just using my root notes from my main chord progression. I used this preset and I made this pattern. I took it from my main chord progression, but this time I extended the first note there. Lastly, what I did was I used this preset in Nexus and I took my main chord progression pattern, then I used it, and this is the sound. So for my drums, I'm starting off with my kicks. I used 2 kicks. This is the first kick. And this is the second kick. All right, then we have a snare. A net clap. and also have a open hi-hat. Then we have a closed hi-hat. And here we have a shaker. And we have toms. Then we have this pack right here. And lastly, we have a shaker. So that was the demonstration of what I did to make this Jullian Gomes type beat. And now I'm going to play it back. And I also added a couple of vocals on the song. I hope you enjoy it. So thanks for watching. I'll see you again next time.